I've got a tub, a splash, a tub filled up with water clear, and lots of things to test today. So gather around right here. Will it sink to the bottom? Will it float to the top? We're making guesses, testing things, and we won't stop. Sink or float? What do you think? Drop it in the water, watch it go blink. Does it sink down low or float up high? Let's be little scientists and give it a try. Sink or float? Let's play and see. Just like Koala in the science tree. Guess it right? Give a cheer. We're learning while we play right here. Koala says,
Rubber ducky, what do you say?
kids say.
Floats all day.
Koala says,
And a heavy rock.
kids say.